Yeah, it's Dave22Deuce, it's Dave22Deuce. I be rolling, that's that joint rolling. Yeah, it's rolling. You whip it, rolling down the city, grip it, rolling down the slip it down the city, man. I chip it, nip it off of your head. I come and rip the bullets, I'm off of your dead. I fucking flow so master the dastardly. When I come, I fucking make you pick your ass to catch like a teacher master class to put the cast, a massive at the crash your ass in. You come and flash, you never ask the best man. Try to ask about my past, you get slapped, you get crashed, you get tapped in the motherfucking back. Gotta get you to new clap and you get you when you rap. I will get you motherfuckers, you can get at that. You better bet on it that I'll get you. And I will come and I'ma kill you as I would away you. And then I'll bill you, will I bill you with the la 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 ma la that is when my mind goes blank, when I'm fucking on the shank, when the beep fake. Marijuana affects the memory. Now I don't know about my lyric, can I see? Yeah, I wrote it down and I can be calm, and my memories losing on the 70s. Yeah, brain cells off the vanities. Man, I took the packed up and went off the fantasy. Man, yeah, going out to Tennessee, but the bloody motherfuckers smoking methamphetamine. Yeah. All these thieves and their cheese, all the fucking getting over for these fucking 40 thieves, all the C's, all the V's, motherfucking orderlies, come up in the fucking 40 and the border thieves. Yeah, I'm living life like a 43, 40 thieves, motherfucking flashing up these 40 keys, fucking weighing up these fucking 40 G's like Hunter Biden on these motherfucking 40 cleans. Yeah, stuff it out like a dirty bean, deprivation chain, give a papa shine chain. Yeah, smoking on that crank, crack, nickel black, motherfucking nickel back. Yeah, you remind me of somebody that I used to know, but I don't know, maybe somebody else. She just a hoe. Yo, you just a hoe, and you go, you fucking go. Man, I rip round back, and I flow the big bang, butch in a boot bang, bite in the no. Yeah, I so sick it with my rip you rap. I don't give a fucking flippy flap, I do it just like that. I write it down, I roll it down, I might not do the same what I written, but it's all in the kitten, man. Yeah, Dave22Deuce. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Just trying to make it out. Just trying to stay without. Just trying to stay without. You don't know how hard I try to make my life better. I try so hard. I got custody of my kids in 2019. Had a few months of them, and we loved it all gravy. Then all of a sudden this disease, this virus came swooping in. Ruined all the fun with my kids, and I was happy for so long. Now I don't wanna go back now. I don't wanna go back to when I was an addict, man, fanatic, insanity. I was plagued with so far when man I was going on. I still better now, man. Just thinking about how it could have been if COVID didn't come. I fucking hate that fucking shit, man. I cannot lie. I got animosity to the fucking sky. I got animosity to the fucking guys that fucking do the labs and make the fucking dust. All these fucking mad scientists are bitches and the motherfucking monkey pox riches. You think you fucking smart working on this shit, bitch? You a fucking lunatic, fucking apocalyptic. Oh, I'll fucking punch you in the dick, bitch. You got on, I get your fucking punch you in the dick, bitch. You a bad lady, get your punch you in your clip, bitch. All the fucking when the fucking none of it, bitches. Yeah, Wuhan virology. Wanna fuck with me, you fucking on a beat. I ain't gonna know martial arts, I'm on a me. I'ma punch you in the fucking throat and it's gonna be, yeah. And I don't know, I ain't tryna profile either. I ain't tryna be racist, no man, not at all. It's all about the government, I hate about the motherfucking I hate the government, not the fucking people. So don't try to label me nothing to people. Man, I ain't nothing evil, but so nothing evil. I'm better than evil, a feeble with up with a cleaver. I'm trying to stay with my people, I'm praying with my people, but my people is of all ages, the colors and races, all ages, the color, ethnicities, and religions. And have you ever seen just ever lived with y'all as a feeding the pigeon to be? I read it, yeah, Dave22Deuce is coming, give it, I'm a nibbit, you better read it, I ain't jibbit, you can't get rid of me, Dave22Deuce is silly, fucking read it, man, ridiculous it. You know, life has been crazy ever since it's time back against Swayze. But man, life has been a storm since the 6th grade. When I was endured with the dismay. Yeah, when I was at trouble with the toes, sent home from school, but so into the door. Every single day, before every single day, I was in trouble. I was a fucking troublehead. Trouble-minded black sheep in my family. Cause my mama's at peace of her enemy. I'm an enemy of fucking enemy of the fucking undergrads and the common canopy. Can you imagine how in the state? Imagine I would date the better that I would do what I can, and I would clean up myself and do it better than health, and I would do on the selfless act and work at the dad. Work as a dad, work as a be a dad, a better dad than I ever had, but I never had a dad that was ever had. My dad was the best dad I ever had. My dad was the greatest dad that I ever the best, so I can play like I wasn't never had a dad, but I wish I could just be half as good as him. Probably not, but I will still try to be that, cause I gotta live up to two. I gotta live up to a mother and a father rule. I got nobody else here to help me out at home, except for my father and my mother all alone.